Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and any overlays into Capcut so everything is ready to work with. Trim the main clip to the segment where the screen effect will appear, then duplicate that clip and place the copy above as an effect layer. Make sure the project aspect ratio matches your output. Once done, lock the background track to avoid accidental edits. This first setup saves time and keeps layers organized, which is why I always prepare duplicates before adding effects. Now you craft the visible screen effect on the duplicated layer by switching blend modes or reducing opacity to create transparency. This lets the underlying clip show through. Use the mask tool, choose rectangle for device frames or freehand for irregular shapes, and feather the edges to integrate the screen naturally. Add keyframes for position, scale, or rotation so the screen moves with the scene. By animating these parameters, you make the effect feel anchored rather than pasted, which is essential for realism. Finish by color grading the screen layer and adding a subtle drop shadow to match depth and lighting. This unifies the elements visually. Export a short test to inspect timing, jitter, and blend artifacts. If the screen drifts, refine mask keyframes or use Capcut's motion tracking to attach the effect to a moving subject. Make sure to render at full resolution when satisfied. If colors still look off, adjust white balance and opacity. Small tweaks here fix most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.